Hey guys, so today I'll be making vanilla cupcakes with our Beko built-in oven which has 6 cooking functions. So the built-in solutions will make your life easier and keep your kitchen neat and clean. Let's get started by preheating the oven. Let's start off with the batter now. I'm going to add the butter and the sugar. Mix it well. Then we're going to add the egg one at a time. Okay, so now we're going to add the vanilla flour little by little. Alright, so our batter is ready. Now we're going to spoon the batter into the muffin cups. Before you put it in the oven, make sure you tap it a bit like that so it's even. Okay, so our vanilla cupcakes are ready. So before you have it, you can sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top, or you can use icing sugar or even melted chocolate, anything as you prefer. Okay, so here's our vanilla cupcakes. Enjoy!